Stop before you spend money on a new website. Here is some questions that you need to ask yourself to help you decide, do you need a new one? Does your website take ages to load? This can frustrate your visitors and send them packing. Are you relying too heavily on generic stock photos? This can make your website feel impersonal. Instead, consider using real photos that showcase your brand's unique personality. Do you have an old-fashioned design that doesn't align with current market trends? Is your website not mobile-friendly? You might be losing out on a huge amount of potential customers. Does your website reflect your identity and what you offer? Are visitors leaving your website without taking the desired actions, like contacting you or making a purchase? If you answered yes to any of these, a website redesign is the perfect solution. I am offering a free consultation to discuss your website's pain points and explore how we can redesign your page and take your business to the next level.